Hey, party people! Hey, Vince. Hey, Ryan. Hey, Dan. Yep, it's a box. Hey, Minnesota Maker. Where are all my mods at? Why is it blocking turd? Well, it's probably blocking that bad spelling of third. Hey, Chris Freeze. Oh, man, do I seriously have to do this to every single one? Shit, where did I just drop that one? Oh, biscuit eater. Come on now. I'm being a bungholio. So Nerf has built-in DRM. What? Are they making their darts only work with Nerf guns? I don't understand. Oh, that's stupid. Oh my god, whoever's in Plymouth, California. Hello?
Hey, Josh.
Uh-huh.
It's Robert.
Oh, hang on a sec. Hey, baby girl. That's funny. Oops. That's kind of... That's kind of weird, isn't it? Ow, gosh darn it. Hey, Robert. Sorry about ignoring your phone calls. I was streaming and I didn't realize it was you because I haven't saved your number yet. Hey, what's up, Tanny? No, I didn't post I was live. Gosh darn it. Hey, goodbye. Hey, Chris Galata. Why does that look so flippin' weird? Can I make it frosted looking? There's no frosted. Hey, thanks, Chris. I'm like, I got nothing done. I'm just starting to make it look pretty because there's a couple things I haven't been able to figure out yet. Theoretically, it's the Tesseract. Theoretically. I'm just goofing off. Oh, is my stupid printer printing? Yeah, it's printing. So last night after I got off stream, the dang printer jammed again. And oh, awesome. Yeah, I'm planning on putting like these are going to be etched. I'm just goofing off right now, but these are going to be etched. I'm going to have an actual Tesseract logo. And then oh, I need to get out of render mode. And I'm going to put the logo in them. But for now, I'm just goofing off. Is there like a group function? Hot. Oh, no, I don't want to move it to a group. I want to create a group. Gosh darn it. Oh, so yeah, I'm going to put LED light strips up here. And these are actually going to be clear acrylic. And with etched in Tesseract logo. And then the green LEDs will shine down. I'll probably make them RGB. Hey, it actually hasn't. Oh yeah, that's probably what I was talking about too. But it jammed last night right after we got off of stream, and then so I just shut it off and quit for the night. And then today I resliced it and I slowed it down. I still use the auto, whatchamacallit, setting in Prusa. But I set the max at, I think, 80 millimeters a second. And so it's been working a lot better. So far, it hasn't jammed, but it's kind of annoying that it jams so gosh darn much. Good enough for government work. My printer jams more than my grandma with a cup full of strawberries. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm not sure if the LEDs will be controllable by the duet or not. I may do it separate. I'll have to figure it out. Did I see your message? No, I did not. When did you send it? I checked my messages before I went live. Thermal inserts where the crappy coarse thread screws used to go. What's a thermal insert? I didn't play Overwatch that much today. Oh, don't give me that BS. I barely texted you, Brett. I've been texting you all day. Alright, so... So, these are 30-30 extrusions. But why the... Oh, okay. Wait, why the frick is that up there? These things are driving me nuts. No duet support. That sucks. Theoretically, it's like a rail core, but the bed is stationary. I'm contemplating putting 2020s here. 2020, 2020, 2020. Not sure yet. I need to level my bed. Wait, what do you mean I need to level my bed? What's wrong with my bed? You can heat up and press into plastic to give them metal threads. Oh, I know what you meant by inserts now. Babe, don't make me spank you. You do not have an annoying voice. Oh, yeah. I don't know how that moved up there. I haven't moved flipping things. I still haven't figured out how to move the flipping things. So annoying. So flippin' annoying. Oh my goodness. Tanny, did they ship out today, by the way? Leslie told me they did. Or that they were going to. Make a square frame and put a delta inside. Oh my goodness. You guys in this delta, I swear. It's time for a new mouse. My center button is no longer working. Driving me crazy. I'm gonna laugh in 3, 2, 1. What? Did you send me something? Come on, unlock, you stupid phone. Oh my goodness, fine. Don't recognize my face, I don't care. Kishwan shared a photo with me. uh, I'm gonna use Core XY. So like I'm going to put a motor back here on this corner and a motor back here on this corner that are gonna control the Core XY. However, then it's gonna put the freaking thing over here. So instead I might put the motors on the ends. That way the front is completely open and there's no stupid belts going back and forth. And then it'll be a motor here and a motor here. We'll see. Dan, can I show that to people? All right. Alright, where did it save? Now there it is. You're ridiculous. It'll be hilarious. No, Chris Galata, behave. It's a napkin holder, you perv. Oh goodness, now I gotta show that one. Where's my mouth? No, I don't want to email the image, you stupid Windows. Save image as. Now where did it save that one? Gosh darn it. There it is. It's a ring dye. Oh my goodness, people. Y'all are ridiculous. Hey, Lightspeed, keeping it at 200%, or 200 millimeters a second as the max speed, it's still jammed. I set the max speed at 80, and so far it's doing stuff. I should have did that first. Oh well. So far it is doing stuff. It's been printing for... What do you mean request timeout? Don't make me hurt you. It's been printing for 4 hours and 30 minutes and has 2 hours and 20 minutes remaining. Oh, Chris, they're napkin holders. Alkesh made some last year, not alien themed. And he asked me if he could make some this year for oh shit. Okay. For the UFO box for December. Hey, CNX Tech. Oh, I'm just goofing off. Doing ideas for how do you get a printer to jam that much even if you tried? I go and I don't know. I'm aggravated with the fact that in my humble opinion, a rail core with a mosquito on it should be able to print fast, and it's not printing fast, it's printing slow. And the faster I print, the more it jams. So I slowed it down and it seems to not be jamming. It's quite irritating though. Whoa, what the flip just happened? Where'd that motor go? What the? Cancel? Oh, I'm a doofus. Modify, align that to that. Duh. And then we'll modify, align that to that. Copy, 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 copy. Paste new. Doop. Doo 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 doo. Too far. Hang on, I gotta hide. Nope. Which one is it? Brackets. Doop. Catch you later, Marco Casso. Hey, Devin. If anybody else popped in that I didn't say hey to, I apologize. Let me scroll up. Did I miss anybody? Quick glance. I don't think I missed anybody. If I did, I apologize. So I'm thinking maybe something like that. And then the belts go bleep, bleep, bleep. But there's going to have to be a bracket like here in the middle with thingamabobbers. Yeah, I think I'll go out and then back in. We shall see. Oh my goodness, you too, Devin? I swear you guys all coordinate in like Twitter DMs or something. Oh my cookies. Deep, 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 deep. I think that should be enough clearance. gonna remake my bed. Alright, I gotta move these now. Here's my arrows. Oh, that's still on the line. Move! Winamp. It really whoops the llama's ass. Babe, go home. Give everybody their penicillin. And Band-Aids. You send them home. Wait, why? Son of a... Thar. Oh, are you kidding me? No, wait. Why is it? You're driving me nuts. Thank you. Thank you very much. Y'all are butt heads. Hey, Julie Jolly. The cost of what? The cost of this? Oh. Well, let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 motors, 7 linear rails. $12 extrusions, 2 acrylic frames, a belt. Hey, Timothy Harkness. I don't know, as long as I keep it under $1,000 and people like it. It's all I care about. That's without the mainboard power supply, etc. Wait. Are you talking about retail cost of the printer or cost for the parts? I don't know what the price of the linear rails are, but llama, just I don't know yet. I may reduce it to 2. The bed's not moving. The bed is stationary. The motors are moving the gantry. But I may only do 2. Undecided yet. Undecided. Right now I'm just playing around. Oops, how you doing? Undecided. Oh shoot. Nope. Cancel. Abort. Okay, now I am on the bed. Yeah, I'll get them through the linear rails through Ziltech. I just haven't priced them yet because I got to figure out the length. They do custom length cuts. Wait. More stable to move. Listen here, llama. I'm doing something different because this is what I want to do. Bottom. Where we at on that? Ah. Oh yeah, I understand, Chris, about the motors. Yeah, Llama, I don't care if it's been done already. I'm doing my thing. I'm just having fun. Oh shoot, I didn't just see the measure on that. Just having fun. Hey, what's up, Viking? Tanny, don't be giving out top secret information now. Dum, 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 dum. ¿Dónde está la Filet? Filet. Yep, I'm just making shapes because it's fun. Doop, doop, doop. Let's say here. There's a tool I haven't used before. Let me see if it'll work. Nope. I don't think I'm doing this right. Hang on. Cancel. Create pattern. Rectangular. Direction. Wait, zoom out. What is this doing? Oh. That's cool. Haha. We need holes. Oh, dang. I've done that before, Llama. Catch you later. Hey, Justin. I'm just messing around with the printer design. May or may not become a reality. We shall see. We shall see. Of course you're home because you never tell me you're leaving, you brat. She's such a brat woman. Oh my goodness, you guys in your deltas. Squelta. Oh, you got yours today, Justin? I don't know why it took so long to get to you. I think Tanny's though was took even longer. It's close enough. Nappy is British for diaper. Oh, Viking, I sent you a link if you wanna join. You obviously do not have to. Welcome back. Your artillery broke another part on this, but probably from the factory rather than transit. Oh my goodness. And I'll be right back. I'm back. Rosa said, "Good night, everybody." She's got to work doubles the next 2 days, so she's got to be up at 5. I'm printing Batman. Yeah, there are printers out there that I don't understand why the price is so much. I am not gonna name names and all, but you know, wow, this is rendering way too long. Can I stop it? Yeah, let's stop it. Oh no, I wanted it to like stay, but whatever. Let's do this instead. Can I switch? Can I do something else while it's rendering? I think I can. Maybe. We'll see. All right. I got to figure out brackets. Wait, why did that move? God flipping. I swear these things move without me telling them to move, and it annoys me. Set the pivot to yeah, that should be fine. Yeah. And then we'll go. Oh, there's Thomas.
Hi guys.
What up, Viking?
Not much. Fell asleep on the couch. And
Oh my
woke up
goodness.
to the notification that you streamed. So
Go to sleep.
yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Hey Ryan. Cheers. Hi Minnesota Maker. Blueberry and apple. Yeah, I do sleep sometimes, Chris.
No, Viking does not sleep. He was up till like 8 a.m.
More like 9.
Kind of my fault because I was up with him, but
Yeah, we had fun.
I didn't realize I cannot put a side back there. They're gonna have to be just on the sides. All right, let's see.
That's the Tesseract?
I don't know now. 3D Fused is still designing me something, but
Yeah.
for some reason he wants to like not do a Core XY design.
Why?
Something about belt stretch or something. I don't know.
With good quality belts, shouldn't be a problem.
Like everybody's opinion out here, because I haven't researched it yet, but the Core XY is supposed to be like more accurate, right?
Yeah. If it's built right. Stationary head and a bed that moves XYZ.
Hey, no worries, Chris. You can show it off on Sunday. I don't know if you're going to show it off on Sunday, but in the end, I want a stationary head and a bed that moves in XYZ. Wait, what?
Yeah.
Everybody's just trolling me today.
Everything should be stationary except the frame.
Y'all are evil.
I like the cubes because they are so stable. It doesn't necessarily have to be a Core XY. Have you seen the the Viking printer? It's not my printer, but it could
No.
be name-wise. It actually looks pretty cool. There's no linear rails or something on that one. They use wheels and worm gear for Z.
Yeah, I was contemplating wheels as well, but I think linear rails are sturdier.
Yeah, they are. Hi, Timothy. What's up?
All right, Chris, I will shoot you the link as well. Make a printer that unprints a print one. Y'all are buttheads.
Yeah.
Y'all are such buttheads, I swear.
Weird. 3 of my friends are texting me.
Printer.
Are they awake now?
Y'all are jerk faces. Wait. Why is that off?
Oh my god.
Chris, I messaged it to you. Oh wait, are you in here? Duh.
There I am. Yep, I'm here.
Hi, Chris.
Hello.
Cheers.
So, cheers. I've got parts all over the place.
Well, that's
Working
always
on a hot-end design right now.
sweet.
I got the Manila Roseworks mount for E3 DV6, and I'm adapting with the Needle Touch and stuff like that right now. And let me show you the nice, freaking heavy. I had no idea this rail was going to be so heavy. This is
Holy cow!
That's beefy.
the 42 millimeter for the Z. Yeah.
Like, do you even need to put that on an extrusion as thick as that is? Oh, is that for the Z axis?
Yeah, it's just to mount it much easier to the frame, basically. So.
All right.
And then, yep. So I'm just waiting for one last part to add, and then I'll be putting everything together. I got half of it together so far. I can show you guys. It's on the floor right now. if that works. Let's see what a mess my place is. Okay. So I've got basically the points last one.
Hang on, I'm gonna make you big.
Okay. It's carbon fiber rail for right now, although we're probably going to go with aluminum because it's supposed to be better for longevity, and also I can get it a lot cheaper than the carbon fiber rail. And then right here, I've got the idlers for the belts and everything, and I've got the official gates idlers and
Sweet.
the belts and stuff like that are going to be here.
Now you're doing Core XY as well, right?
Yeah. So that's basically it for that. And I've got the bed being assembled right now.
Looks good. Are you using 30-30?
Yeah, 30, 30-60, and 30-90.
Yeah. Stable.
Yeah, Tammy, that is a Misumi rail, the 42, and then the ones on top are Ziltech with, I'm going to offer an upgrade option for Misumi, but it's going to be like $250 more for the X and Y if you want to upgrade to Misumi because it's just that big of a cost difference. But if people want to go to that, they can.
Sweet.
So yeah, hoping to get all ready by Earth, and then probably do a pre-order maybe late November or December for people who want to buy it. And it is going to be fully 3D or A3D tool changer compatible. That's the plan. That's the whole idea. And yeah.
Sweet. Looking forward to see it
Heck
completed.
yeah.
Yeah. Misuyu rails. I mean, it depends on if they cause bodily harm, and then they'll be Misu somebody rails. So, Josh, are you looking for any feedback at all, or are you just playing around? That's the question.
No, I mean I'll definitely take feedback. I mean, I am mainly playing around, but I'll definitely take feedback.
Well, that's. I mean, I think it's good to do that, and then you can just kind of organize. At least it's the way I think of it: is if you organize thoughts in your head about how motion systems might work, and then, like I said before, when I was mocking up stuff, when I'd be pretty far along and like, oh wait, that won't work because that's in the way, or whatever the situation is.
Right.
But you know, Glenn's FK1 also has a stationary bed.
Yeah.
Yeah. You could do a smaller version of that.
Yeah. The FK1 is pretty big.
I mean, pretty much every printer is smaller than that.
Even some
yeah,
hard
his
printers.
FK1's really awesome.
It doesn't print much though.
No, I told him that he should have designed it to be like collapsible, or like for example, mine. I've got what I'm planning to do on the shipping is have like the entire top portion assembled, possibly pre-assembled, because it's very simple, and then have the bottom portion pre-assembled, and then you just put the extrusions in the middle, and then when you add the acrylic sides and back, it's going to tighten everything up.
Yeah.
Because we're going to be disassembling it again, shipping it to Earth, and then reassembling it when we get to Earth. So we're going to have to make it relatively simple.
Yeah.
We lost Josh.
Yeah. Internet again.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah. I'm all the way in
Yeah,
Norway.
I don't know why my
internet
internet's being stupid.
Because you're in Ocala? I don't know.
Probably, to be honest.
Like I said, I used to live there, so that was about 12 years ago. Yeah.
12 years ago. When was that? In 2001?
7. No. You're way
Oh,
off.
wait, 2007?
2007 is 12 years ago. The 90s are not a decade ago. I know it seems like it,
Aren't
but
they?
I'm brain dead. Don't mind me. I haven't eaten yet today.
Grab some food. Need to eat.
Yeah, that's what when Rosa just called me. She was like, "Did you eat today?" I'm like, "No." Like, you better eat something.
Yeah.
Fine.
Do you have any ice cream or something? Did the internet go again? Yeah.
Mr. Butcher, that's cool. Yeah, I used to live in Pine Hills, which is New York, Ocala. I lived there back in the 80s and early 90s. That was fun. AKA Crime Hills. It was nice when we moved in and was not nice when we moved out. All those Orlando suburbs,
Hey,
if
you got-
anybody's wondering.
What's that, Josh?
You guys are starting to sound like robots to me. My internet must really be loving me today.
Yeah, he dropped out 2 times now.
Is it just when you got the other person on? I don't know. Doesn't make any sense, but
Do what?
this didn't happen last time when you had 2 other people on StreamYard.
Yeah, but I don't know why StreamYard would be doing that. Because I thought it was just a single stream.
Yeah. Let's try 3 more guys and see what happens.
Yeah.
Today's experiment.
Let's crash it all.
Probably would. Oh well.
If I get my printing business started and I start selling some printers, I'm definitely going to organize a Florida Rep Rap Festival. I'd like to do that since we have a lot of people in Florida. Viking, I'm sorry. I mean, you can join if you want, but I know it's a bit far.
I would want, but it's probably a little bit too far.
Yeah.
I've been thinking about getting something together here as well, but I don't know how many it is in the area. I don't know that many at least.
Yeah.
I think I know probably 2 or 3 guys, and that's including the neighboring town. So
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, Ryan. Isn't that
John?
an ordinary weekend?
John, I'm not sure. I mean, I'm in Tampa, and then we've got people like Orlando area, and then north is where Glenn, and up north towards Walter's up like northwest towards Tallahassee, I think.
Yeah, Walter's like 3 hours north of me.
Yeah. So I'm guessing. I mean, they have Orlando Maker Faire, which I haven't been to. I don't know of a good. I mean, I haven't been there, but I know the Orlando Fairgrounds are probably just as crappy as they were 30 years ago. So Tampa's got a nice fairground area. Yeah, Sholm's near here also. That's right. So yeah, we've definitely got a lot of people down here that would be available, and also there's some companies down here too, like Slice Engineering is in Florida. There's a place called Gulf Coast Robotics. Print and Z, which I don't know if they're still in business or not. They were also in Florida. So definitely a decent amount of people and companies that could easily get to it. Yeah. I haven't planned for Orlando Maker Faire just because I haven't planned anything past Earth at this point. It depends on what happens at Earth, and if we got a lot of people interested. I want to try to go pre-order set up. CME CNC is not in Florida; they're in Ohio. That's why they have the MRF up there, because it's basically next to their headquarters.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Indiana. How did I say Ohio? It's just like when I was watching the Meltdown podcast and they were talking about how the Earth is in Washington State. I'm like, not exactly. It's near Washington, D.C. It's in Maryland, and Washington State is the other side of the country. I know it makes no sense, but that's how it is. So I put that in the comments, like, yeah, it's not Washington State. Because we can't make any sense here.
Who said it was in Washington State?
I think Tom Sandlander.
Oh.
Because he's confused with Washington, D.C., because that's where you land if you fly in.
Right.
Mr. Butcham, that's correct. Everything north of here is Ohio. It's all Amish country. My family's in Pennsylvania, so I know all about Amish country, and it extends. I didn't know Goshen was such a big Amish place, and I was like, "This looks familiar." Yeah, the Viking. That's the one you want to go to. You want to go to Murph if you want the cultural experience of people with no electricity that ride buggies everywhere.
There's literally
Amish-
there was nothing
Amish
to do
people?
there.
Yeah, it's nothing. Everything closes by like 8 p.m. too.
Oh,
We gotta get out of the festival early so we can actually get food at a restaurant or something.
worse than Norway. Let's see.
Just so you guys know, I was using OSH Cut from. They had a whole bunch of Facebook ads about they can print. You can do a quote online and print in different metals, or not print, but laser cut in different metals, and they're offering pretty good prices. So if you want to have like a custom bed made or something like that, it's like I've got some brackets and stuff like that. I'm getting custom made. And they're pretty good prices, and you can get it right away. Just upload it, and it will give you a price.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Where's that at?
OSH Cuts. OSHcut.com. I see Facebook ads like constantly for them, and I checked it out, and it seems to be easier and better to use so far. The parts are going to come in next week. I know, last minute. But yeah.
Isn't that the only way to do it? Last minute?
That's the only way to do it. That's right. Both festivals last year, when I had the previous printer, I was doing stuff for the last minute. And for some reason, at both festivals, I remembered everything except for the power cable. The actual power cable for the printer, I didn't remember both times. And I think John Mack gave me a power cable at IRF, and I don't remember what I did at MRF.
Yeah.
I got a banner ordered from Zazzle.com, which I ordered before. The box came in yesterday, and it was empty.
No.
Yeah,
That
so
sucks.
I did get a refund, and I'm just going to go to Office Depot because apparently they can do those locally. So I'm just going to do that. But
Yeah. Worst pricing?
I haven't checked that out yet, but I prefer to have it where I can actually pick it up the same day or the next day instead of having the same problem again.
Yeah.
So.
For sure.
I mean, it's nice to be able to do things locally. With 3D printing, it's so rare to be able to do anything locally, especially when you need metric parts. Of course, you don't have that problem, Viking, but
Everything is metric here, so
yeah, here it's just very difficult to get anything useful unless you order food. I mean, we've got Amazon Prime. That's like the easiest.
you're lucky that way. I wish I had Amazon here.
Yeah. I mean, I hate Amazon, but I also use them a lot, so you know. It's...
Yeah.
Oh, hey, John Strand.
Have PC ever goes nuts? Hard drive going crazy. Chris, what viruses do you have on your computer? That's the question. What sites are you looking at?
Yeah, surf that porn. That's
Yeah,
one,
that's right.
one trick. Great.
Chris has a virus.
Check your task manager and see what uses all the power and
If
all
you
the
can.
memory.
Yeah, if your cast manager won't load, you'll probably just have to reboot it because
Yeah.
if it gets that far, because I've had that happen before. It's like, oh yeah, you might just have Chrome too.
Yeah, Chrome uses a lot. At least for me, when I have a few hundred tabs all open. Still manages to fill up 32 gigs.
Yeah.
5.5 hours into the print and it jammed.
Ooh. You're still on the 0.4 nozzle?
Mm-hmm.
Ubuntu or Mac was moderated. Was that because of Ubuntu or Mac? Swear filter.
Yeah, I think Josh needs a swear button where you can just push it and it just makes a bleep sound and you can just go.
Yeah.
I mean,
Like, seriously, it's like what the flying rat's patootie.
Have you ever been able to restart a print when it's jammed and complete it? Or are you just like SOL?
No, I probably could have, but I'm just.
Yeah. So when you get that many hours in, it really gets frustrating, I know.
Well, like usually if I pause it and restart it, there's like a layer shift.
Yeah, of course. Somebody actually asked, I forget who it was on Twitter, somebody was talking about how they got battery backups on other printers, and somebody said, why do you need that? You have restart on your, like, what's it called?
Yeah,
When
the
power goes out.
fail resume.
Power fail, yeah, and I'm like, that's not necessarily going to fix it because, again, you could have a layer shift or just where a layer doesn't line up right if it happens. Or you'll see a gap, or you know what I mean. It's not perfect.
Yeah, every power fail resume I've used has layer shifted, and
yeah,
every time I pause and resume a print, it layer shifts.
So definitely, I don't see any reason why you wouldn't want a battery backup. But this person replied like it's because I guess the person, I can't remember who it was, but he's like, people were wondering why you got battery backups. I'm like, why not? I mean, especially if you got long prints, you definitely, especially in Florida.
Yeah, definitely in Florida.
Because we get, especially summertime, we get basically, we are the lightning capital of the U.S., and it all happens in the summer.
For the record, it was looking really cool. I'm gonna make me big for a second. Gosh darn it! Let me switch camera. Boop. So it was looking really cool.
Mm-hmm.
Focus.
You could print if you know what layer it is, you could print the rest of it and put it together. I don't know.
I mean, technically I could, but
yeah. Mr. Butron, that's correct. End-stop switches as well. I mean, I feel like end-stop switches are one of those things that are not quite as accurate overall as the rest of the printers these days, unless I don't know if there's any super high-end end-stops other than your basic switches, but... Paul, anything new? Not really. Josh says jam again, so maybe if he says jam 3 times in a stream, it happens. I don't know.
80% into the gosh darn print. Like, why would it do 80% and not jam, and then all of a sudden just say, "Hey, I'm gonna jam," just to tick you off?
Yeah.
And I probably coulda, shoulda, woulda just paused it, unjammed it, and resumed, but I was just frustrated and wasn't thinking, and I just pulled the bed off.
Was it the
3010,
jam
that's
or was it
good to
the
know.
extruder grinding down the filament?
I loosened it like you said.
Yeah.
So I don't think.
I tried one more time on my print before going to bed, and it helped, but not enough. It failed again. Came further on.
That's good to know about the accuracy on that. But hopefully those prices will come down. That's why I like. I know Tom's covering the TCT show right now, which is the industrial 3D printing or additive manufacturing show. I love seeing all that because some of that technology does eventually get down to us. So, well, I mean, Josh is running a 0.4 nozzle on a Magnum, so you know.
But see, look, it's like it's not jammed because I extract the filament, I push it back through, and it's just fine.
Yeah, the same thing I have.
So I would swap it out with a different hot end and see if it jams or not. Unless, I mean, you know for sure it's jamming in the hot end and not anywhere else that's causing an issue.
And I mean, it could be. I don't know. Next time it jams, I'll try to negotiate with it and see if it'll tell me where exactly it's jamming.
I mean, my day job is a help desk, so this is me troubleshooting.
Oh no, I used to be a help desk person too.
Yeah.
Same here.
Replace everything and then try to identify what doesn't work.
But it's so hard to really figure out what exactly, where exactly it jams when you can't see the inner workings. All I know is that it stops feeding. And I extract the filament and put the filament back in, and boom, it works.
Mr. Buttram, I doubt he's going to need more torque if he's got a Bondtech directly next to it. I don't think torque's going to be the issue.
Probably not.
I would hope not, but you never know.
Is that still PETG you're running?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's not the same time you're having the issue every time, right? It's different hours.
No, it's
or
different hours, different layers. There's no
I've had
rhyme or
prints
reason
where
to it.
yeah, I've had prints where like it would go an hour and then start jamming up, and I'd realize that I had the current turned up too high on the motors or something. This is back when I was troubleshooting the MMU 1.0 adaptation that I was running on the old Fusion360 printer. That was fun.
So running too much voltage on the
What it was doing is it was heating up too much and then causing the filament to basically start melting within the extruder. Yeah, that's fun.
It's really hot.
And since it's easier to check because it was a Bowden setup, so it was easier to determine that instead of a direct drive where you've got everything right there.
Yeah, I would think with a Bondtech that wouldn't really be possible, would it? Because the motor doesn't transfer heat because it goes from a metal gear to a plastic gear.
Well, the setup that I had was basically the way the MMU 1.0 was it was Bondtech gears, but it wasn't a Bondtech extruder. You just had the two gears, so it wasn't the same setup. So it was using Prusa's motors, and I had it set up in a duet board, but I think in duet board it was set to a higher voltage than it should have been.
Yeah.
So I think that's what it was, voltage to current, and I'm not an electronics expert on that part of it. I just keep experimenting till it works. Mr. Bertram's asking me if you've cleaned the gears on the Bontech. I think you would have because you just took it all apart, didn't you, Josh?
What's up?
Didn't you take apart the Bontech yesterday? So you would have cleaned all the gears of this stuff, right?
Yeah. I took it apart day before yesterday and then put it back together yesterday. It was fine. They need to put thermal paste or something between the heatsink and the rest of the extruder. What? Tanny, what do you have against plastic friggin' pressure arms? Yeah, Mr. Butcher, I took it completely all the way apart. It was in like however many pieces it is. And there's really not that many pieces. There's the swing arm, the body, the pin that holds the swing arm to the body, the gear on the swing arm, two little tiny bearings, and then the gear reduction gear thingamabobber. I think that's all the parts to it, right? Tanny, I've been working with my Sidewinder for 6-7 months now, and mine's never broke. Stop pushing so hard on it, mister. You Andre the Giant claws.
Quit running that
Strong,
2.5
man.
filament. Quit running the wrong filament. No, I'm just kidding.
Is my fan cooling too much? Theoretically, could be the problem.
I know that was the one thing they mentioned on the Joel review of the Railcore. They said that the fan was overpowered unless you turn it down to like 25% on different materials.
Well, right
The part
now,
fan?
where's my cooling? Right now, it is my minimum fan speed is 15 and my maximum is 30.
Yeah, so you're running about what it
Should
should
be
be. Tanny, that is weird. That sounds really weird.
Yeah.
Have I calibrated the E-steps? Yes, I have. Because I actually purchased a different motor because they gave me a crap motor on my extruder. So I went out and spent like $45 on a new motor. And after I got it, I calibrated it.
Is it a pancake stepper or a regular?
Is it a what?
Pancake stepper? Small
And
one?
I'll link it.
Like regular size, width, or length? Or
Well, it's a...
because the pancake one is like the short one.
Yeah, it's the short one.
Okay.
Not super short, though. I don't...
Yeah. Well, it's like I got this LDO Motors. They sent me this to test. And it's got like, it's not a pancake, but it's like shorter than a regular NEMA.
Yeah.
Like compared to a regular one.
Chris, you jam at 30? Huh.
Try to set max at 25 or something.
I wonder if...
Chris, is that for PETG that you jam at 30?
I mean, PLA, I know it jams more with the cooling, but I didn't think PETG would.
PLA. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I'm printing in PETG, so I don't know. You should probably be using lower cooling on PETG anyways, right?
Yeah, and what was your temperature this time?
It's 265 it's running out.
Okay.
Where the heck is my mouse? Oh, there it is.
That's the problem with this. Is like you when you have a large print and you have to wait 5 hours to test each thing.
Right?
That's really yeah.
That's annoying.
Yeah. Brian Vines is here.
Brian Wines, yay!
What's up, Brian Vines? Girl, look at that body. He works out.
Yeah. What's up, Brian?
So Brian, just to catch you up, Josh is jamming again and working on a square delta.
We be jamming. Square.
Jamming.
Y'all are the worst, I swear.
Actually, sorry, going back to that TCT, I saw one clip. It was it wasn't the printer or anything, but it was one of those mechanical arms. So that's a Delta type setup, but it's different and it's probably more complicated than you would need in the 3D printer. But I just thought it was interesting. I'll probably link to it if I find it again. But I'm trying to figure out how it works. It's one of these pick and place robots, and it's got 3 Delta arms, but then it's got arms above it going out to each Delta arm. And I'm not sure exactly the mechanics of it, but it looks really cool and it's very fast. I don't know if that would be more useful at all, but just thought it was interesting to look at.
Yeah. Sounds interesting. Yeah. Good one, Ryan.
Brian, I already made that joke. You can't give that joke again. I said Squelta earlier.
Yeah.
Actually, let me see if I can find that thing.
Yeah. Octoprinter, yeah.
I jam more than a Rastafarian in Jamaica. Oh my goodness, y'all are the worst. Y'all are the worst.
Oh yeah, Brian's here. We had to step up our bad jokes game. I mean,
That's his job.
yeah. Did you guys see the new? There's a Duet bus to tool thing that's also with E3D's new extruder or something. And then there's this massive 6-color Core XY beast of a machine.
Don't think I've seen that.
Oy, I wanted
I have
to.
not.
If you guys have my Twitter at Techno's World, you can see I just retweeted it. It's freaking insane looking. It's one of those things I'd have to be there in person to even understand how it works. It's just so complicated looking, but it's using a Duet 3, so I guess that's to show that off.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what? Let me see if I can do this.
Good one, Tony.
use Chrome if you want to share audio with your. Okay, never mind.
Dang, you're such a jerk.
All right, I can't find it now, but anyway, if I find that Delta-looking thing later, I'll link to it on Twitter. Here is another. Let me retweet. Richard Horn had the that same one I just mentioned. Core XY UVAB motion system.
Core XY.
5 kilograms, 6 feet per head. It has a separate motion system on top with a 5 kilogram lead weight to compensate flinging around the print head.
Sounds pretty heavy.
I mean, over engineered like crazy.
Yeah.
I've seen, I think, a couple of other printers that have done the offset of the tool head like that before.
Yeah.
Wait. Who stole my idea? I'm going. Wait. You say you tweeted something?
I tweeted a couple things from the TCT show about this insane printer with the Duet 6 feet filament over everything, over design thing.
What was your handle on Twitter again?
Technos World, TECHNOSWORLD.
Let's see. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to look at it later. I tried pulling it up and my internet's going stupid.
That clearly looks over-engineered.
Stacker Delta.
Impressive though.
I don't know what you would do with a Stacker Delta, Mr. Retro. Thanks. Maybe.
Really? So you have that printer assembled by next week, right, Josh?
Right.
Yeah. Did you release any more details about the
Sure
what was it called?
thing.
The incubator? What was that? It was something beta. I don't remember. Incubator.
Incubator.
That's a top secret experiment.
Yeah, he's too focused on fusion. Yeah, Brian. Pretty close.
Yeah. Like, is that
Y'all
Pro
are
Ba-
ridiculous.
like the Pro Mega or Amateur Mega that Chris Riley was building the other day?
Yeah. Well, so
Went from $3,500 MSRP down to $1,000
yeah.
for that printer. I cannot believe that they were overcharging that much. If they're still making a profit with $1,000, that's insane.
Really is. Didn't look that good either.
No,
Huh.
it's well, they were mentioning it's aircraft grade aluminum, which is like the plane wings flex, so it makes sense that the printer's flexing if that's the aircraft grade aluminum.
True. Yeah.
I mean,
Wait, the what?
Autoflagellation.
I mean, I wish I could sell my printer for $3,500, but nope.
Yeah.
I just want to be at a good price that if people are looking for a tool changer compatible printer that they can build on, that they'll choose something that's less than, because if you build the E3D one, it is about $3,500 for everything. And the other company offering, I forget what, OpenCore is what they're calling it. I forget how much they're going to ask for theirs.
Yeah.
But mine's going to be lower than theirs as far as single extruder start out with, hoping around $1,599, maybe.
Yeah.
With a very, very rigid print bed, so it should be very good for high speed printing.
Cool. Decent pricing as well for high quality.
Yeah. And all the higher quality parts. No skipping on cheap parts or using cheap parts anywhere.
Yeah. Quality cost money.
Yeah. And if people want the bare bones, just the motion system and frame, we're going to offer that as well. So.
Yeah. Know how much that will be?
Probably about $800.
Yeah.
But if you just add a cheap 32-bit board and a power supply, you can get in around Prussian money, I think, assembled.
Clearly a better buy than.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like Prusa, but I think it costs too much for what it is.
I'm waiting to see if they're going to make a bigger one soon. I think they're going to have to eventually.
Yeah, it's too small.
Yeah. All right, I have to jump away, guys.
Yeah, I'm actually it's 10:30. I was gonna stop streaming here in a minute, so I can actually go eat food.
All right, well, I will see you guys later.
Yeah.
Hey,
Have a good one.
Catch you later.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming in.
Yep. Bye.
$1 million.
$1 million.
Yeah.
Pizza tacos again? No, I'll probably make.
Then your internet dropped again. We all want to know what you're going to make. Taco pizzas. And you're back.
Am I back?
Yeah.
Stupid internet decided to just drop me. Had to reconnect.
Yeah.
But
What are you
I don't
going
know
to
where
make?
I don't know where it cut me off at, but probably French fries and fish
Fish
patty
sticks?
thingies, breaded fish, beer battered fish thingies
Yeah.
in my air fryer.
Yeah. How do you like that? I've been thinking about buying one myself.
It's a waste of money.
Yeah.
No, here's the thing. Like, Rosa got an air fryer.
Yeah.
And she's like, I love this thing. I love this thing. You should get one. Blah, blah, blah. And I should have talked to her more about it first.
Yeah.
Because, well, she had gotten a little one. And I don't remember. Fail core is failing again. Fail core failed. I threw the failed print, so I don't even know where it's at right now. But it jammed again after 5.5 hours. It was 80% and then it jammed. So anyways, back to the air fryer. So she kept telling me that the air fryer cooks faster and tasted better and blah blah blah. And I'm like, okay, where's my flipping drink? Here it is. And so then I'm listening to her on the phone. Yeah, pretty much. They're small convection ovens. And I have a small convection toaster oven that's like, it's kind of big actually. That's where I do all my cooking in. So she tells me it cooks faster, the food tastes better, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, okay. So then while we're on the phone and she's cooking and everything, she tells me she cooks a handful of fries, and then she cooks a handful of something else, and then she feeds Emmy with that, and then she makes her own handful of whatever, a handful of something else, and then she eats. Total time for one meal is tater tots in 8 minutes. Let's use tater tots as an example. Say she had to make 4 servings of tater tots. Tater tots for Emmy. Okay, wait. We're gonna do tater tots and chicken nuggets. Okay, 8 minutes for tater tots, and then 8 minutes for chicken nuggets, and then 8 minutes for tater tots, and then 8 minutes for chicken nuggets. So you just spent 32 minutes cooking one meal,
Yeah.
right? Whereas if I took those same chicken nuggets and those same tater tots and put them on my fryer and stuck them in my toaster oven, they'd be done in 8 minutes.
Yeah.
Versus 32 minutes. So how is that faster?
Yeah.
So then what I did is I went and bought a bigger air fryer than she had. Right? And the bigger, I can't remember how many quarts mine is, but I bought a bigger one. It's like twice as big as hers. And so now I cook things like I cook my chicken nuggets and my tater tots at the same time, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But it still takes the same amount of time whether I cook it in my toaster oven or if I cook it in my air fryer.
Yeah.
Same amount of time.
So what's
it's like,
the advantage?
There is none at the moment. I've yet to be able to find an advantage.
Yeah.
Wait. I did find one advantage, but I have not tested this theory in my toaster oven. This should be something I should do tomorrow, and then
Next stream.
By next stream, I'll report back to you guys.
Yeah.
But eggs.
Yeah.
Hard, non-boiled eggs. I put 8 eggs in my air fryer, cooked them for 20 minutes, put them in an ice bath, and instantly started peeling them. And they peeled so easily. Like I just went boop, 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 bloop. Shell came off.
Love the sound effects.
That was the easiest freaking peeling eggs I have ever made.
Yeah.
So tomorrow I will try them in my convection toaster oven.
Yeah.
And cook them for 20 minutes at 250 degrees. And
Don't
see if they're the same. And if they are the same, then
Craigslist your air fryer.
my air fryer is just useless.
Yeah. Fried product chicken.
I would never make coffee in my air fryer because then it would be hot. And I don't drink hot coffee, Mr. Buttram. Come on now.
Need to cool it down again.
Hey, Kenneth.
I cannot.
Now I have a new viewer, so I got to stream for at least another 15 minutes
Yeah.
so he gets his money's worth.
That's my friend.
Oh, well, forget it then. I can bail.
Yeah,
No, I'm kidding.
he doesn't count.
December's Mothership Prize. Used air fryer. Oh my goodness. I am not a millennial. I'm 40 years old. I'm past the like pre-millennial. I think mine was Generation X, and then after me was Generation X2. Like, who names these generations? Because they come up with stupid ass names.
People with too much time,
right? But yeah, I'm not a millennial. I just hate hot drinks. That's why I don't eat soup, because it's hot. Like, I like stews, I like chili, I like stuff that's thick and has sustenance, but like chicken noodle soup, no. I'll starve. I got sick one day and Rose was like, go buy some chicken noodle soup. I was like, all right. So I went and bought 5 cans of chicken noodle soup because it was like 5 for $2 or something like that. I don't know.
That's cheap.
And then I brought it home and I never ate it. Actually, like 2 days ago, my mom asked me, do you have any chicken noodle soup? Because I'm feeling under the weather. And I'm like, yeah, I've got 5 cans. Here you go.
Always prepared.
Hey. Hot beverages are gross. I mean, it's not even that they're gross. It's just you can't eat hot things. You can't drink hot things. You got to wait for it to cool down anyways before it's to a temperature that you can actually drink it. Because I don't like sipping coffee. I like guzzling coffee.
Yeah. Warm but not hot.
Like hot cocoa made with milk, not water.
Yeah.
Is the only thing I will drink hot because I like using peppermint sticks and like dipping peppermint sticks in it.
Oh yeah.
And sipping hot cocoa.
Because it's cold in space.
Y'all get me on. I think y'all purposely trigger me to get on the dumbest rants ever.
Probably. No, Kenneth. There's a few days since the last one. Yeah, the last one is here. I probably showed you that on Facebook, didn't I? For the Bluetooth.
Oh, is that your successful print?
Yeah, the more or less successccessful. Yeah, I had a lift. Yeah, I had a lift here. That's why I'm replaying the game.
I see that.
And that's the prototype version. I have adjusted the holes and stuff here.
Gotcha.
Kenneth has a printer as well, a small one. Which one was it again, Kenneth?
The what?
Kenneth has a printer. I can't remember what the name was, but I don't think it's working properly.
Well, that's not fun.
No, it's almost like the fail core.
Oh,
but cheaper.
I can relate, man. I can relate.
Yeah, M3D, the model. You sold it? Okay, yeah. How much did you get? Aren't you going to buy my Ender 3? So you get a decent printer? Probably easier to ask me when you need a printer. As long as I can print it on my Sapphire, because my Tornado is a bitch. Yeah, that's a decent price for that one. About $100, a little less now. Night, John. RC, CNC.
Hey, what's up, RC?
Later, Chris.
Have a good one, Chris. He's out. Dudes.
Oh. Yeah. Good morning. It's 4:41 a.m. Actually, I have slept this time. I slept about 2 hours on the couch. Hi, Carl.
Hey, what's up, Carl?
Yes, it is. Kenneth. I'm 40 in a few months. So getting there.
So, RC, after I get all these parts designed, you're gonna mill them for me, right?
Yeah. Same here, RC. I'm sure. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like I need them too sometimes, but probably just because I sleep so little in the night. So what are everyone printing today? I guess you're printing parts for the Squire, Carl. Prototypes pumpkin skull. Cool.
Wait, prototype what?
Pumpkin skull model.
Oh.
Twitter. Post it there.
I've been contemplating designing some more things because I mean I was such an absolute success at making
Piglet.
Piglet. So
Yeah. Yeah, I need to get working on getting better at Blender or ZBrush. Probably choose Blender. I liked it more. The UI. Carl is asking for his coin,
he's what?
his maker coin that you started on.
Oh, son of a biscuit eater. Carl, I got you tomorrow. I'm gonna add it to my calendar right now. All right, my calendar won't load. Hang on, let me do it on my phone.
Sure.
You know, I started it, man. I just gotta tweak it. Where is my calendar app? Where did I put it? Oh, there it is. So tomorrow is the 25th, right? So we will add Carl's Maker Coin
Yeah.
during stream.
Yeah. Did you subscribe yet, Kenneth? And like?
Do what?
I'm just asking if Kenneth has subscribed to your channel.
Yeah, Kenneth, subscribe to me and stuff. And thumbs up, everybody thumbs up. People have been thumbs down on me. Wait, what the flip did I just do?
There's 9 thumbs up and 1 down.
Alright, save. Alright, I gotcha. It's on my reminder calendar for tomorrow, Carl.
And then the Squire. Cool. He has subscribed. Then he can join all our crazy streams. He's usually up at night, just as me. Same as me.
So, how much does it cost for an aluminum CNC machine?
From China. Not too much, but real expensive for the biggest, larger ones.
Hey, what's up, Devin? Gosh, Devin came back. Now I've got to stream for another 12 minutes so she gets her money's worth. Yeah, an aluminum CNC mill.
Yeah. You're going to starve to death.
Charter Oak Illumination. Holy cow! 9 grand? Nope, not doing that one.
Cheap. Use high linear linear ways. It says. Yeah.
Not doing that one.
Yeah, couldn't afford that. I don't think I would want it in my small apartment either. So. But I would want the CNC mill. That would be fun.
All right, for all you Fusion360 pros, how would I add a belt in here? Is it possible?
I have no idea, but I'm no pro. Is that a feature, Brian? So sounds more like an error. Yeah. 9Ks. Hobbyists.
Y'all are ridiculous. Ridiculous. Oh, Carl, since you're here, I was having an issue with these thingamabobbers here. And I'm wondering if you could tell me how to shorten the ends here. Because usually I just do a negative extrude, and it wasn't working.
That's pretty heavy RC.
Holy cow, 2-ton freaking machine? No
Yeah.
thanks.
If you could do it part by part, maybe, but on the x-axis.
Where? Right, like this thing right here, this whatchamacallit is too long. I want to cut it off like right here in the middle of this. And normally I would just like do this and then like do this and then I go this way, but it doesn't work. Yeah, didn't work.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still linked. How do I unlink it? Break link? Oh, you're my hero.
He's your white knight in shining armor.
You are my hero. Alright, now I got to go here.
Yeah, anodites alien ooze green for the rails.
Do what?
Devin says so you should get the rails of the printer anodized alien ooze green. That would be cool. Maybe not.
Maybe not the rails, but the extrusions, yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Son of a biscuit eater. Wait. What the flip is going on here? Hang on. Whoosa. Yeah, why the flip is my bad. Alright. Go away bed, go away brackets, go away motors, and try this shit again. Thank you. Why is it so freaking funkified? Yawning already, Thomas.
Yeah. Takes a while to wake up properly. It'll help with some food. Did it look good?
Let's see. I guess theoretically, as long as I put the X carriage mount in there, it doesn't matter where I put this. I can mount that. Wait. Boop. Boop. No, not that far. Alright. I can put it right here.
Yeah, that would be cool, Carl. Hi, Julie.
Hey, Julie Jelly. Yeah, close enough. Yep, buddy. Yep.
Yeah.
Now, how?
Cool, Julie.
Shoot, where did... Okay.
See you, Carl. Mission accomplished.
Have a good one, Carl. You jerk.
Sleep well. Yeah, there's a lot of cool Nerf guns out there. There's still 9 people watching.
Holy cow. What are y'all doing? Not that exciting. Oh my goodness, I was supposed to end stream like
30 minutes ago.
yeah, y'all are just bad influences.
RCCNC says that you can mill the part you're working on.
Do what?
You can mill the part you're working on now.
I can wait, hang on.
Just chats. You losers. No, you're not.
blind pocket like that, you will never get square corners. Wait, what? I can't? Oh, yeah, you but if, like, say this was the bottom, wouldn't it, like, cut down into there? Like, you can't see that? And I don't need square corners, I don't think. Yeah, I don't think I need square corners. Because, like, the way it is on that one, it's like, let me show you. Oh, shit. I haven't looked to see how it's mounted. I'm just doing it my own way. But yeah, I don't need square corners. It can be rounded. It don't matter. RC, you act like you know what I'm doing. Yeah, dog bones. That's what I was just about to say. The brackets on the rail core, guess what you call dog bone, where it's got the circles on the sides in order to get the squares. Oh, I know, RC. I know. I'm just saying I have no clue what the heck I'm doing, so.
We have the firmware that makes the Sidewinder touchscreen stop acting stupid. Do you know, Josh?
No, I haven't, upgraded anything on mine.
No.
I should, but who does crazy stuff like that? I'm terrible. I sell these things. I should be better support.
Hi, Greybeard.
Hey, what's up, John?
Oh, that sucks, Tanny. Haven't they released a new firmware on their end?
You can't hit most of the buttons because it presses other buttons at the same time. Wait, what?
Sure, it isn't a broken screen.
I've never had that problem on mine. How was 3D printing night, John?
Yeah, Tony. I know a few guys had a similar problem on the Sapphire, and that was due to the screen being too much tightened to the frame, and that messed with the touch. So maybe try loosening the screws a bit. That could be it. Yeah. They're making it hard, aren't they? Oh, cool, Greybeard.
Tanny, you can just don't tell him you took it off.
Yeah, that's true. You could buy more stickers. Yeah.
You saw the BattleBot arena for Earth? Wait. John, you don't live near Maryland, do you? Wait. I forget where you live at the moment. You are in Maryland. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm dumb. Well, Tanny, I will be selling replacement parts for artillery soon-ish. What time is it? Holy cow, it's 11:15. What are y'all doing to me? After this is done rendering, I'm gone. Dang it.
And then someone new shows up on chats. Okay, 12 and another 12 minutes.
You gotta make sure people are getting their money's worth.
Yeah. Let me do a blast to my Instagram.
Don't you dare.
Oh,
Don't
maybe
you
next
dare.
time. Yeah. It would have been fun if 100 more people just suddenly showed up. I don't think that many
Y'all are
would
the
join though.
worst. This thing's starting to look pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. Those corner brackets would be even nicer with the more similar yellowish green as the side panels, I think. That's me though.
Oh yeah, no, I agree.
I love that yellowish green color.
I agree.
Yeah.
I'm a huge procrastinator, Devin, so
Me too.
enabling others to procrastinate, meeting my goal. So the only really bad thing about this design is that putting doors on the front isn't going to be possible, or on the back. You'd have to
Yeah.
like extend the
Yeah.
Viking needs to come to Earth. But
Yeah, I would love to be there.
we'd have to get him a sponsorship.
Yeah. I'm broke. And that would probably cost me a few $1,000s.
The rest get bees. You're done.
Yeah. Yeah, it would have been awesome coming to both Earth and Murph and all the other big ones, but it's a bit too far.
Do you have a passport?
No, actually, I haven't traveled that far. So.
Oh yeah, that's right. About our discussion last night. Never mind.
Yeah. So I've only been to Sweden and Denmark, and that's a while since the last time too. So.
All right. So before I proceed from here, the render is done, so I'm about to end stream. But I have a question for you guys first. The Z screws, should they be ball screws or lead screws?
Ball screws are supposed to be more accurate, but they also could have more problems with dirt and stuff in the grooves.
So John says ball. Now, what size ball screws? Because these ones I was looking at the other day were like 16 millimeter, and I'm like, whoa, that's way too big. I don't need them that big.
10 or 12 should probably be enough.
I would think 10 would be good, right? Because
Yeah,
they're not going to be used for support.
that's true.
I'm going to end up with a $2,000 cube.
Yeah, the ball screws are more expensive.
1205s. Well, I'm going to tell you guys a little secret. Don't tell anybody else. Don't let anybody else watch this video. I'm going to offer multiple versions of my printer. There's going to be different variations. Tanny, you're going to have to ask customer support because I have no idea. I know that there is a Wi-Fi module on it in the touch screen and it says turn it on or off and blah, blah, blah. I don't know if it's for it to connect to Wi-Fi or if you can connect through Wi-Fi to it. I don't know, but anyways. So I was thinking 2 versions of each printer that I make. For 2 reasons. Price, but there's going to be the name brand, and then there's going to be the clone brand. That way I can offer, say, a version with a duet and a version with a fouet. You know?
I think that's smart.
Because I mean, if somebody's gonna clone my machine, that's what they're gonna do anyways.
Yeah.
So why not clone it myself?
True.
Then I can offer the name brand, and then I can offer the clone.
Yeah, and it'll hit two different brackets. The ones with lots of money, and the guys with a bit less money.
Right. So Ziltech offers a duet now? Well, how did I miss that?
They do.
Where do I find it on the website, Tanny? Because I'm about to order it or add it to mine. Ah, the Ziltech Duet 2, 32-bit.
Yeah, bear kit could also be a good option.
Ooh. Maybe I'll just buy everything from Ziltech.
Yeah.
I didn't know they had a duet. Why did I not know this?
Can't notice everything. Why Denmark, Greybeard? Anything special there?
It is kind of horribly organized. I want to get
Lego. Yeah. I've been to Legoland when I was a kid.
Tanny, why don't you guys sell just the touchscreen for the duet? I see the duet and the duet touchscreen combo. So I want to get a touchscreen for my fail core.
Yeah.
We do? Okay. Well, I'm looking.
That's the same thing I did for a web shop I used to work on a while back. It was about 300,000 different SKUs and total mess, lack of product descriptions.
Hey, what's up, Kip?
Hi, Kit. Yeah, dynamic duo. Who's Batman and who's Robin?
Oh, yeah, you need to fix that, Tanny. Come on, man. You've been there a week already. This stuff should be done. How much is an official duet?
Aren't they? Yeah, you're Robin, Josh.
Hey,
I'm
that's fine with
Batman.
me. You're better looking than I am, so
Oh, you stop.
and I'm younger.
Yeah. Well, you're a year older than me.
No, I don't ever buy belts. So I would know that. Wait, okay, is the Ziltech 2 Duet, Ziltech Duet 2, is it the same as the Duet 2 Maestro? Or the Duet 2 Wi-Fi or the Duet 2 Ethernet?
$50mm.
What's the Wi-Fi? All right. So what's the conversion from euros to US? Like 1.18 at the moment? No, 0.91. So it's 120. So it'd be $132 plus shipping if you got it from. Hey, Tanny, never mind. Can I ask you things, or do I mean, I should probably ask Leslie, because you're my boy and all, but you're new, and Leslie's been my partner in crime for a year now.
Yeah.
But as far as, well, here's my question. Can I sell them on my website right now? I will go add it to my website right now. Actually, no, I won't. I'll do it tomorrow because it's already late. But yeah, I don't want to get you in trouble. That's why I can ask Leslie.
Yeah, technical questions.
But as a reseller for Ziltech, I mean, I ask her if I can add things to my site before I actually add them. You know what? Never mind. I'm not gonna say things publicly. Well, I know what my partner agreement is with them. I just not gonna say it publicly. So, what do you guys think of the printer so far? Is it looking all right?
I like it.
Yeah, it probably would be go for it.
It would be nice to get it fully enclosed if needed.
It probably is horrible. Or see, everybody's just being nice. But oh shoot, let me get it off to render. All right, so this is my mock build volume block, which is 300 by 300 by 300. I still actually, from the looks of this, I'm gonna have to make the frame a bit bigger, because as of right now, that's not gonna leave enough room for the X carriage.
Yeah.
Yeah, the motors are sticking out, and I mentioned that earlier, that the front and the back would make it hard to enclose. So I have an idea for that.
Just do another extrusion behind or two.
Well,
Sticking too much out.
what I'm thinking about doing is like moving the motors to in here
Yeah.
and shortening this extrusion, maybe. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Because I want to make it to where, like, see how this is. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm putting this side inside the extrusions. I'm gonna have to do a cutout here for the bed, and a cutout in the back for the bed. But I want to be able to like just slide acrylic panels down into the extrusions,
Yeah.
and in the top, and just leave the bottom open. And so I mean I do have ideas. As much I'm not adapting a Voron design, gosh darn it. I'm doing my own thing.
Yeah. You can steal the ideas though, and integrate it into yours.
We'll see.
Yeah. I like the design.
I can't say it's an alien 3D printer if I just use another design.
That's true.
It's like, look at Project Red. They use the Rail Core 2 idea. Well, currently it is 4 motors. I don't know if I'm going to go down to 2. I haven't decided yet.
Or 3.
But the bed is stationary. This carriage is going to go up and down.
Yeah.
But I've got to adjust things anyways because those motors aren't gonna. Well, yeah.
Yeah, you
But
like
yeah,
to go against.
But currently it's 4 motor. I don't know if I'm gonna reduce it to 2 or not. I probably should reduce it to 2.
Josh, show Kenneth your green alien so you can see the filament.
My ooze.
Yeah, your ooze. He likes your green color, so.
All right. So this is Broken Dragon. Hang on, let me get to my. This is my Broken Dragon, but this is my Alien Ooze PLA.
Looks cool. I like the color.
And then, and this is my Probed Green Pet G.
Does it have glitter in it?
No, it
Oh.
just it has a really cool shimmer to it though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
But no, there's no glitter in there.
Oh. I'll order a few spools soon, Kenneth. When I can afford it. Let me know if you want to buy some too.
Yeah, like I said, we'll work something out when you get
Yeah.
to the point.
Yeah.
Well, I'd probably do the expansion board anyways, Kit. Just like Railcore does, just so people could upgrade it right out the box if they wanted to. We'll see.
Yeah. Oh, the protector was still on. Yeah. So it works better now. Good one, Tiny. Yeah.
Oh my!
I'm glad you figured it out.
Tanning.
I am. Isn't that the best part of unboxing and stuff and peeling the plastic off?
Graybeard, what would you think if I like? And well, no, I'm gonna have to make it wider anyways. There. Do that. No, I'm not. Son of a biscuit eater. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure something out. Oh well, prototype.
Yeah.
Oh sweet, you ordered stickers? I was gonna order stickers for you, but and put them in the UFOs. But
Send me a damn hat already.
Tanny, don't you have a hat? Oh no, you don't have a hat. That was Sean that had a hat. Yeah, I know she is. I told her today that the t-shirts should be here in a week and a half or so. Yeah, Graybeard, I had more of the orange ones made up. Can't remember if I ever told you.
I started working on some hats and t-shirts and stuff as well.
Yeah, Devin, anybody who wants to send me stickers can send me stickers and I'll put them in the UFOs. And it doesn't even have to be stickers. Any kind of marketing materials I'll send out. I will literally advertise anybody. And then yeah, RC, he emailed me and told me he was waiting for the bank clear, and it was completely my fault. I just, with the way the UFOs work, the money, it trickles in. I don't get it all at once. And Tanny, I put candy in all my orders. It really depends on what kind of candy it is. Like, I learned my lesson about putting chocolate in the UFOs last Halloween because people got melted chocolate. So this year I'm giving different candy, but you guys are still getting candy. And but yeah, I put candy in every single one of my orders, Tanny. And my UFO. Well, the airheads probably melted too. My bad. But I mean, airheads aren't. What's a good number to send me? With some margin. 210. If you want them to go out this month. If you want them to go out next month, then if you want to add some margin, because I don't know what ERF is going to do. I don't know if I'm going to get any more subs advertising it ERF or not.
You probably will.
Yeah, anybody who wants to send me anything to distribute in the UFOs, I will absolutely do so at no cost to you, except for whatever the cost is for whatever you want to send me. I will not charge you to put anything in my boxes. Tanny, I never used the Ziltech original silver. Was it a good silver? Because, you know, I could force them to make it.
best silver I've used so far is filamental. Printed real smooth.
I did a silver, I think, a couple months ago, maybe. I don't know. I don't have a silver up there. Maybe I didn't. It might have been in a past UFO.
Yeah.
I know I did filament ones glint silver, and now they're glint gray. I did Matter Hackers builds. Was it the shiny silver though? Because I know the Matter Hackers. Yeah, this is their silver, but it's not shiny. It's just gray,
Yeah.
which I was disappointed about. Wait, can you guys even see me?
Barely. There.
So, but it's not shiny. But that's the Matter Hacker silver, because this is my extra roll that I had left over from when I put it in the UFOs.
Yeah.
Have a good one, RC.
See
Catch
you,
you
RC.
later. Yeah, it's a gray. It's not a silver.
Yeah.
Matter Hacker's build is ESUN. I wouldn't doubt it. I'm gonna not comment publicly on matters of branding. Focus, you jerk face. Alright, y'all are just gonna get blurry me tonight. Oh, there we go. Tanny, you do know that not all printers come with silicone socks, right? None of my printers I've ever bought have come with silicone socks. I've had to buy them separately.
None of mine either.
But they
Yeah.
should. Why? I mean, it keeps your heat block, hot block, whatever you want to call it, cleaner, and your nozzle cleaner. But so does this brush.
It ate your silicon sock.
Brass brush. Even though I don't know where mine is, I've lost it like a month ago. I haven't been able to find it yet. Even though it's in this general vicinity somewhere.
Yeah, I know how that is. I'm a mess.
No, but I used to put silicone socks on my AM8. Problem was they kept slipping off, and then they just got tore up, and then they ruined prints, and I got super annoyed with them, so I stopped using them. Yeah, she really does. But now I'm already in sample spool making phase, so no cleaning is being done until after UFOs go out.
Yeah.
Because once I get into sample spool making, everything just gets retrashed again. Because like packaging boxes and the plastic wrap that the spools come in, they get thrown over there. The boxes get thrown over there.
Yeah.
And then the silica packets get thrown over there.
So you have specific areas to throw them.
Devin, as soon as the accessory arrives, I'll send them out. It'll probably be the first week of October. It will be before I leave for Earth, or I won't go to Earth. But it'll more than likely be the 5th. I'm hoping the 4th or 5th or 7th. It depends on when the accessory arrives. What do you mean my delivery date has changed?
What?
Oh, the UFO boxes. They were supposed to be here today, but now it says they changed to Friday.
Oh yeah.
It makes no sense, but whatever.
Yeah. Not too bad.
But no, I needed a larger deposit than normal for the accessory, and so I had to save up a little bit for it. But that problem should be solved very shortly.
Yeah.
And I'm going to start ordering a couple months in advance.
Yeah, it's nice to have a margin for time
Yeah.
delays.
Which reminds me, why am I on here still so flippin' late? Why do you guys keep doing this to me? Flippin' A, it's almost midnight.
Yeah, almost 6 a.m.
Y'all are just ridiculous.
Still 9 people watching.
Y'all 9 people are just crazy.
Oh, 10 now.
Y'all 10 people are just crazy.
So someone new joined. You have to extend the time.
All right, y'all got me for 12 more minutes. At midnight, I'm done.
Yeah.
Whoever just joined has to get their money's worth.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, well, Graybeard is too. He's got me on his TV and his phone.
Oh yeah.
I wonder if that counts double viewing time. Are they 2 different accounts, John?
Probably IP.
No, it's cool, Devin. I mean, whatever. December, I want to do. Shoot. Spoiler alert! December, I want to do a snow globe using those little tiny packing balls, the white ones, styrofoam balls, and a fan blower.
Ah, cool.
Hey, what's up, Joe B?
Joe B.
I don't know what I'm gonna do about the ball though,
No.
because I'm afraid to ship glass.
Yeah. Many of them will probably break, so.
Hey, y'all hear it? My printer just jammed again.
Yeah. I get annoyed just hearing that, really. Maybe we should just stop printing. Quit 3D printing.
Acrylic fish bowl? Yeah, that would work.
Yeah.
Acrylic fish bowls. Well, that print went to Farfanugan in a handbasket. Alright, let's slow down the... Let's do a max fan speed of 20%. How
Yeah.
about them apples?
Try that.
I'm getting so tired of this printer. Well, I tell you what, Tanny, Zoltech is my supplier, so start looking tomorrow. No, I'm just kidding.
Next stream will be burning of the failed core.
If I didn't have $2,000 in this damn railcore, I'd
Yeah.
definitely pull a Barnacules and borrow somebody's flamethrower. Why does TPU suck so hard? Because it's flexible, so when you try to pull it off, it's like a suction cup. And so it ask a rhetorical question, I'm gonna give you a stupid answer. I'm just kidding, Devin, don't hate me. Y'all give me crap all the time. I gotta give y'all crap sometime.
What printer are you trying to print it with?
Yeah, if you have any gaps at all between your extruder, anything like that, then TPU, you gotta print it super, super, super slow.
Yeah, like 15 to 20 millimeters. Yeah, the MK3 isn't in that direct drive.
Yeah, but I bet you it still has some gappage.
Yeah. So try printing real slow. That should probably help.
Yeah, but Tanny, you may be looking, but you don't have the access that Yi has. At least as far as I know, you don't.
40 millimeters, yeah, it's kind of slow. But TPU needs even slower for many printers.
Oh, yeah, no. 40 millimeters a second is way too fast for TPU.
Yeah. I usually print around 40 millimeters with PLA on my Tornado.
No, like 15, 20 at the most.
Yeah.
Okay, 25, but
Yeah, I think I used probably around 25 when I had the direct drive on my Tornado.
I mean, it also depends on the softness of the TPU.
Yeah.
Because they've got different flavors of that as well.
Choose PLA and turn the knob to 25%. I only printed with one TPU.
Yeah, I've printed with. I've only ever printed TPU one time,
Yeah, I haven't used the whole spool yet either.
and that was Fiberology.
Yeah, I used 3D Prima, I think it was, or Filamentum. I can't remember which it was now. I've only printed one thing, and that was a bouncy ball for my girlfriend, or stress ball, or whatever you would call
Oh,
it.
son of a biscuit eater! Pause. 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 Stop. 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 Holy stop!
What did you do now? Did you grind the bed?
No, I toss all my son of a bitch. Excuse my language. Sorry, I didn't mean that. Y'all didn't hear it. But I'm gonna show y'all what I just did because I'm a freaking moron. So I put all my stuff I toss in here so I can
Oh,
throw it away, and
yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's
it
see what you do.
just got gripped.
Don't do that, Josh.
Yeah. Luckily, I caught it early. Otherwise, it probably would have got a lot worse.
Yeah. If I'd gone to bed or something and woke up to something like that, then it would be bad.
All right, so fail core has been freed.
Free the fail core. $80 millimeter second. Yeah, that's pretty quick.
Did I do 100? No, I did 10. Why is it spitting out so much dang film?
That was the first layer at 80 millimeter. Oh, crap.
Wait, do what?
The artillery test print runs at 80 millimeters or something like that. So for the first layer, that's quick.
Come on, stop oozing so I can start my flippin' print, you bungholio.
Holy crap, that's fast. That's faster than I print on my Sapphire Core XY.
I used to print at 100 millimeters a second on this thing. No,
Yeah.
I don't want to do it anymore because I'm a fail core.
I usually print around 80 millimeter down on that one now. The test print is at least 120. Over 200 millimeter. That's fast.
Well, Corey at Liquid Art, he claims he prints at 400 millimeters a second on his CR10S Pros.
I don't think it reaches those speeds.
What he says.
Yeah, people says a lot of weird stuff.
Yeah, he says he prints at because of what he does. He runs a print farm, and he does these 3D printed flower pots.
Yeah.
And he says he prints over 900 a week.
Yeah.
And
yeah, probably kit. Yeah, it has a firmware limit at 130.
yeah, you can bypass
Modify it,
the
yeah.
firmware limit, though. I mean, you can always modify firmware.
Yeah, just reflash it. Yeah, exactly, Greybeard.
But he gets the CR10S Pros from Tiny Machines with some upgrades, and then then he tweaks stuff, and then he has like a whole bunch of profiles and stuff for his printers and stuff like that. But
yeah,
I know he prints like over 900 pots a week.
Yeah, if there's just round pots, it should be easier to reach fast speed. But
well, here's the thing: it's various sizes of these pots, so it's not just a round solid pot.
then I doubt it's even more. I would be impressed if if it was true, but I don't think it is. I don't think it reaches that speed. Yeah, the bed is heavy.
Well, Tiny Machines, they flash the firmware before they sell them.
Yeah.
Tiny Machines basically takes printers and then mods them and then resells them.
Yeah, maybe the travel speed. But it's hard to reach those speeds.
I tell you what, when he's back in chat, he's out of town right now. When he's back in chat, y'all can go at it all night long. I don't care.
Yeah.
But
yeah, physics. Mm. 5 over. Are you getting hungry, Josh?
oh, I am. Son of a biscuit! Come on, Thomas.
I told you about it though.
God, y'all are so abusive.
Yeah.
Anyways, all right, everybody. It's after freaking midnight. I said an hour and a half plus 5 ago I was gonna get off. Thank you guys so much for wasting your night with me every night. It's a blast. I enjoy it. I hope you guys too. I thank you guys so much for coming and chilling with me every night. Tom?
Yeah, you find me everywhere as 3D Print Viking, Instagram, Twitter, 3dprintviking.com. and soon YouTube. So yeah, have a good one, guys. Good
And
being here.
so, yeah, thank you guys so much. Thank you to my mods. Thank you to Tom for coming on with me. Thank you to my beautiful girlfriend, Rosa, even though she went to bed because she's a slacker. Love you, babe. Anyways, everybody, peace out.
Nice, guys.